How to mark customer invoices as paid. To do so, you need to go to Manual Entries, Add Manual Entry, a sale, click on a sale, and here we go, all invoices. So for example, invoice 3, select it, add a comment, you can attach attachment like remittance advice from a client and save changes. If you have received money through transactions, go to personal, for example here, it's business, click on sales and select this invoice. You can attach attachment and click approve. When you go to business, it shows that it's being paid here and there is details which invoice been paid. So you can even enter manually if you don't use bank feeds, but if you use bank feeds, you can use this approach. So go through categories and you will be able to select an invoice.